How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Path to Wellness. Today is day 3 of the 7-day plant-based challenge and things are going great. Today, the workout at around 10 a.m., I did a 5-mile run. And then in the early afternoon, I went on a hike. And what I did is I packed some food for my first meal to have on my hike. And here's what it was. So on the hike, I brought a smoothie. I had 3 bananas in the smoothie, a couple of tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. I had some soaked dates in water. I had a scoop of the Robert Morris green powders that I've had the last couple of days. I had a cup of blueberries, a scoop of raw organic meal from Garden of Life, and a tablespoon of cacao powder. And threw that together in my smoothie. And then after the smoothie, I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, a banana, an apple, a pear, and some mixed nuts. So that was meal number 1 at noontime. Then at 6 p.m., I had my second meal, and I started off with a bowl of grapes and then a salad with mixed greens, apple, celery, cucumber, tomato, and avocado. And then after the salad, I'm putting together this broccoli soup, which is super delicious. And I have a link here for the recipe. Definitely try this soup out. It's one of my favorite soups, and it's quite cold here in Bend, Oregon, so I'm enjoying it. So that's it for day number 3. Let me know what you guys had. I'll be back tomorrow for day number 4, and I hope everyone has a great night. Bye-bye.